today we're going to play the story of Pocahontas and John Smith. So, I'm going to do pew. Look, there's a boat that's coming in our way. Let's walk over there. Yeah. Hey. Hi. Hello, people. Hi. Welcome to our village. I like your village. Let's go. Come on, guys. Hello. We come in peace. Okay, you can come in peace. It's okay. Okay, come, guys. You say it's okay. Hi. Your home is beautiful. Yeah, it was our animal. No, this is his home. This is his home because he don't have home. No, I mean this is his home. No, that is the king home. Oh yeah, he's the king. He go here. This is his home. Hi. Hi, I'm Pocahontas. Hi, I'm John. Do you like my home? Yeah. Where are you gonna sleep? In those houses, you gotta choose one. Come on. Come. Okay. Now, can I go? Let's get off from the boat. Guys, I'm sitting down. Hi. Welcome in our village. We want to live here. That's why we don't have a place to stay and we don't have a home to live. Can we live in your village? Yes. Can we live here? Yes. Come over. Come. The village is cool. I like it. Come on, guys. Oh. Wow. Wait. So, up in the mountain is dangerous. Yeah. If you fall in there, I think it's gonna hurt you on the rocks. Oh, come! Do you want to come with me, son? Yes. Let's hunt. Okay. Okay. So you wait for the others. Be quiet. It's not how many service. We're hungry. Oh, Pocahontas, I bring for you a puppy. Oh, thank you. I like the puppy. Oh. Thank you, John. You're welcome. Oh, thank you for bringing the puppy for me. Oh, welcome.